Start by plugging your hose into your machine. Attach your gun to the hose. Turn your gun onto level 3. The more experienced you get, the higher you can turn your gun. Start by applying our Creme de la Creme moisturiser, as this will prevent the tan from grabbing to any dry areas. This should be applied first to the hands. It's always good to offer your client an extra service such as a hand massage. Now apply it to the elbows, the knees, and also the feet. Spray your gun on the side of your wall or tanning tent. This is to ensure that it's spraying correctly. Now start eye level on your client and hold your gun about 30 centimeters away from her skin. You should always start up the top and work your way down to the bottom. This should be in one motion. Now make your way across to the front of the leg and repeat the same process. Now your client will need to turn her leg out. Ensure that her heel is flat on the ground to get the inside of her thigh area. Now repeat the process on the back of the leg. Also in one motion, you should never be releasing the gun. Move your way from the outside in. Now you can start on the back region. This is also in one motion, starting at the top of the neck and working your way down to the bikini line. You should also do at the side of your client. Now start spraying the back of the arms. Her arms should be in a fist. This is to ensure no overspray reaches her hands. Work your way from the top of the shoulder blade down to the wrist region. Now get your client to turn to the front and raise one arm. You can start by spraying her from the side at the bikini line and working your way up the arm, under the armpit and to the wrist area. Now move your way across the stomach. Once again, request that your client puts her arm up so you can spray the side of her and under her armpits all the way up to the top of her wrist. This is getting the whole underarm region. Now you can start spraying the top of your client's arms. Start at the shoulder blade and work your way down to the wrist region. You may also wish to spray the top of the hands here, just with a slight flick at the bottom. Now you can spray the chest area, ensuring that your client's head and neck is tilted back. Now it's time for the face. Request that your client takes a deep breath in and closes her eyes. Count 3, 2, 1 and spray from one side to the middle to the other side. Now you know how to spray tan.